We've been here before, multiple times. Highway 123 North. But I'm on a different bike. I'm on a bike that I put together over the winter. It's a big V2 05 Suzuki SV1000S. Never had a big twin before. So kind of like it. So I thought I'd bring it out way up here in the mountains. I've been on this road a bunch, but on my Giant, not on this. So this is real tight and twisty. No trucks. No semis are allowed. Thank you very much. So fun road. Some of it here in a little bit gets very, very tight, 5 mile an hour tight. Buzzard needs some roadkill, looks like. Beginning till we get to the curvy stuff. I don't know who they are, but they nicknamed this the Arkansas Dragon. I don't know who they are, but there's some wet spots. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. There's been a lot of rain down here. The road has running water across it in places and reapers here and there. So you gotta be careful. Probably going to run into these cars and trucks that I saw before I started. So, oh, there's water right there. Oh, you got to be careful. So, we will be running into some cars, I'm sure. More water. No, that's fucking oil, see? there's a truck instead of this car, so 2 trucks, I think. Nice curvy road, man. Whoa, that one's tight. Quick. Tractor out of the corner. Whoa. Yeah, it's a fun road. No truck that makes it nice. Have to have big power to do that. Watch out for the wet. The bike that handles good. Definitely want to have something to tractor out of or pull out of corners with. Oh, got more water. Fuck. Starting to come out a little bit, it's clearing up a little bit. It was cloudy earlier and raining this morning. Tried to sit it out for a while. Sit in the hotel room. Hang out and wait it out. That hill and it's like, whoa. This is where it gets nice and technical. And then even more so as we get farther into this. Ooh, water. That shit will mess you up. And then drop off. Here where it starts to get real tight. Come along on a journey with me, will you? Be tight. I think 2 cars are going to get through there. Not together. Get it together. Booger. Sunshine, come on out, sunshine. Come out and play. Are you fucking kidding me? Not cool. Not cool. Not on downhill. This is also known as Mount Judea. 123, the Dragon, is going up and over, or down, I should say. Mount Judea. Look how tight this stuff is. You just kind of got to let off and just look through the corner. Be smooth. Very tight. Just look through the corner. Let the bike go. Bumpy, so you got to be careful. Look through the corner. The bike will go. I said this in another video. It's probably the tightest corners you'll ever do. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. Certainly, you got to be. I wouldn't want to come down here on a big fucking cruiser or a trike. No way. No way. The camera isn't doing it any justice. I'm not sure what the drop is. I want to say about 1,000 feet. It's by the time you add it all up. It's about a dozen very tight switchbacks. Going to drop us right into Jasper at the back door. We like backdoor Sally. We like that. Bumps. Big bump. Careful on the throttle, you don't want to be twitchy. Got a little TT bump right there. Actually, this doesn't drop us down into Jasper. This drops us into Piercetown. And then on our way Jasper. Hey, right? Yeah, that's right. Just lovely, isn't it? Is that a bike? Is that a word biker can use? Lovely. It did. Fuck off. Yeah, baby. That's it. That's it. What do you think about that?